Something massive is happening behind the closed doors of Canon's research and development facilities right now, and it is about to completely shatter everything we thought we knew about the mirrorless camera market. For years, creators, filmmakers, and professional photographers have been locked into a fierce debate about where the camera industry goes next, watching technology plateau while prices continue to skyrocket. We have seen incremental updates, minor firmware patches, and subtle hardware refreshes that feel more like cash grabs than true evolutionary leaps. But the latest leaks, industry blueprints, and whispers from internal testing groups in Japan point to a singular, monumental release that will change the landscape forever: the Canon EOS R4. This isn't just another body to fill a gap in a crowded lineup. This is a highly strategic, aggressively engineered disruptor designed specifically to rewrite the rules of content creation, high-speed sports photography, and next-generation cinema. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. If you have been waiting for the ultimate hybrid machine that bridges the gap between consumer accessibility and elite cinema-grade performance without forcing you to mortgage your house, the Canon EOS R4 is the exact machine Canon has built to answer your prayers. The real magic of the Canon EOS R4 begins deep within its imaging core, where Canon is rumored to be introducing an entirely new sensor architecture that defies traditional manufacturing logic. For the longest time, photographers have been forced to make a painful compromise. You could either choose a high-resolution sensor that captures breathtaking detail but crawls when it comes to speed, or you could opt for a low-resolution, lightning-fast sensor that handles low light beautifully, but leaves you lacking when you need to crop into an image. The Canon EOS R4 completely eliminates this dilemma by utilizing a proprietary, multi-layered stacked CMOS sensor that dynamically balances resolution, readout speed, and noise reduction in a way we have never witnessed in a sub-$4,000 camera body. Internal documents suggest a pixel count optimized perfectly for both ultra-sharp large format printing and native, uncropped, oversampled video recording. This means when you press the shutter or hit the record button on the Canon EOS R4, you are not just capturing pixels. You are harnessing a data pipeline so massive and fast that rolling shutter distortion becomes completely non-existent, tracking moving objects with the fluid precision of a human eye. To truly understand why the Canon EOS R4 is sending shockwaves through the industry, we have to look closely at the computational brain driving this hardware, the next-generation digit processing system. In 2026, a camera is no longer just an optical device. It is a highly specialized supercomputer wrapped in a weather-sealed magnesium alloy chassis. The advanced processing unit inside the Canon EOS R4 utilizes deep learning neural networks that have been trained on millions of distinct photographic images and cinematic video clips. This allows the camera to predict motion, calculate lighting shifts, and isolate subjects with absolute certainty before the user even fully depresses the shutter button. Imagine shooting a high-stakes football game in a torrential downpour, or filming a fast-moving wildlife documentary in the dense, dimly lit canopy of the Pacific Northwest. While traditional autofocus systems would hunt desperately, getting confused by raindrops, leaves, or background geometry, the Canon EOS R4 locks on a human subject, the bird, or even the specific vehicle with an ironclad grip, ensuring every single frame is critically sharp from edge to edge. Let us talk about the video capabilities of the Canon EOS R4, because this is where the camera truly transitions from a brilliant tool into an absolute weapon for modern filmmakers and YouTube creators. The demand for premium, ultra-high-definition content has never been higher, and audiences are becoming incredibly discerning when it comes to visual quality. The Canon EOS R4 answers this demand by offering internal, uncompressed video recording profiles that previously required external monitors, heavy battery rigs, and expensive dedicated cinema pipelines. We are talking about true 10-bit color department. Internal log profiles that preserve every single ounce of dynamic range in the brightest highlights and deepest shadows, and heat dissipation mechanics designed to completely eliminate the dreaded overheating warnings that plagued earlier generations of mirrorless cameras. Canon has engineered an active, yet completely silent thermal management system within the Canon EOS R4, allowing creators to shoot continuous, long-form content for hours on end without ever worrying about the camera shutting down in the middle of a crucial interview or a live event broadcast. But hardware specs are meaningless if the camera is a nightmare to operate in the field, and that is where Canon's legendary ergonomics and refined user interface takes center stage on the Canon EOS R4. The engineering team has clearly listened to years of aggressive feedback from working professionals who spend 10 to 12 hours a day with a camera fused to their hands. The grip of the Canon EOS R4 has been subtly redesigned, offering a deeper, more secure hold that perfectly balances the weight of heavier RF Cine lenses without causing hand fatigue. The button layout has been meticulously optimized, placing critical exposure controls, autofocus selection, and custom function keys exactly where your fingers naturally rest. Furthermore, the electronic viewfinder on the Canon EOS R4 features an unprecedented refresh rate and ultra-low latency, providing a view so incredibly lifelike, crisp, and bright that you completely forget you are looking at a digital screen, allowing you to track action in real time with zero disconnect between your brain and the sensor. One of the most intensely discussed aspects of the Canon EOS R4 is its revolutionary approach to in-body image stabilization, or IBIS. In the past, achieving perfectly smooth, cinematic handheld footage meant balancing your camera on a massive, heavy, and complicated motorized gimbal, which completely destroys the spontaneity and stealth of run-and-gun filmmaking. The Canon EOS R4 introduces a completely redesigned, co-engineered stabilization system that synchronizes the optical stabilizer inside RF lenses with the physical movement of the sensor inside the camera body. This creates an incredibly powerful multi-axis stabilization web that can compensate for up to 9 stops of camera shake. Whether you are walking backward through a crowded city street, filming a travel vlog, or shooting handheld macro photography at a fraction of a second, the Canon EOS R4 smooths out micro jitters and heavy steps so seamlessly that the resulting footage looks like it was shot on an invisible set of Hollywood tracks.